Decatur, Georgia. A woman's French Bulldog is stolen from her front porch by this lady wearing blue pants. Here's the doorbell angle of the woman walking up and approaching the French Bulldog. The dog seems right at home on the porch. The woman in the blue pants walks up and spots the dog. She's seen on the Ring Doorbell grabbing the dog and walking off. Here's another angle of her walking off with the dog. The dog owner then spots the woman walking away with her dog.
Hello? Hello?
I'm good.
Huh?
No, it's all good.
A car pulls up to pick the lady in the blue pants up to make the getaway.
Hello?
I said, our dog got to work.
Huh?
Our dog got to work. Come on, girl.
What time? Ain't that my dog? Huh? A white Frenchie?
She makes contact. They claim it's their dog and that the dog is brown instead of white, but she knows it's her dog. She calls 911 and the police come to straighten things out. Let's see what happens.
Hey, Pepper! Hey, Pepper! Come on, girl. Come on, Pepper. Hey, Pepper! There goes my Pepper! There goes my Pepper! There goes my girl! There goes my baby! Hey, Pepper! Hey, Pepper! I got Pepper! I got you, Pepper! I got Pepper! I got the Pepper! I got the Pepper!
You know where your home at. You know. Okay, let me call police.
Luckily, the woman was able to get her dog back.
That girl, you know your home. I got Pepper. I got Pepper, yeah. She just ran up here. They let her go and she ran up here. Ah! Y'all pulling up. Okay. Yeah.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.